This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Helen Morrow. Spacious interior unit, Big B, West / these recent improvements, air conditioner 2 and water heater newer West / in last few years. Current owners replaced range and refrigerator West / stainless recently. Kitchen cabinets and counters changed by previous owners. Tiled floors throughout including FL room, some doors changed to 6-panel, newer vanity and guest bath, and some light fixtures were changed. Both baths have extra cabinets for more storage, large linen closet and hall near air conditioner closet that allows more storage. FL room has air conditioner, thus living square footage increased and reflected in total. Previous owners changed gutters / leaders plus newer washer / dryer by association and building laundry. Large open patio on back of unit West / privacy hedge between the buildings offering a quiet setting. Beautifully maintained condo and price to sell. For more information, review the details below or contact Helen Morrow at 772-979-1426.